Coming up, we'll be on location at Awesome Smiles Dental Center in Haymarket, Virginia, discussing the benefits of dentistry and how it can help improve your dental health and give you the beautiful smile you've always desired with one of this region's top dentists, Dr. Tantra Lowe. Dr. Lowe received her DDS degree from Howard University College of Dentistry and is widely recognized as one of this region's leading dentists. Welcome, Dr. Lowe. It's a pleasure having you on our program.
Thank you so much for having me. I appreciate it.
It's your first time, in fact, on the Top Doctors interviews. We have a lot to talk about. We have a patient we're going to hear from a bit later. But I wanted to begin, if I may, Dr. Lowe, by having you tell us what some of the benefits of dentistry are.
One of the first ones I like to talk about is mainly just maintaining fantastic oral health. It is amazing what things can go into the mouth, and unfortunately you don't always have the ability to keep control over that. But that's one of the good things about coming to the dental office. That's what we do here. We help people maintain fantastic oral health. Another benefit of dentistry has to do with a person's overall health and well-being. There have been so many studies that absolutely have concluded that there is a direct link in a lot of instances between what happens in your mouth and what happens in the rest of your body. Those are the things that we believe are the true benefits of dentistry.
That's a great point you brought up, Dr. Lowe. A lot of people, unfortunately, don't realize that in many cases, our dental health does affect and has affected our overall health. And that's a great point indeed.
Yes, absolutely.
I wanted to ask you, Dr. Lowe, what are some of the more common dental problems that you see in your patients here?
One of the most common problems we see in patients have to do with gum disease. It's an unfortunate chronic infection that occurs in the mouth, but there typically is no pain. And so because there is no pain associated with it, unfortunately, patients don't sometimes understand the ramifications of not getting it treated. We believe here that everyone should smile with confidence. And because of that confidence level, treatment is necessary. And when it's necessary, we talk to patients about how can this make your life better. We truly believe that everyone should smile with confidence. And because we believe that, we talk to patients quite frequently about the benefits of having their disease treated. Again, a lot of patients have no clue what they have. That's the reason we are here to help them have the best life possible, maintaining their oral health and keeping their teeth for a lifetime.
Yes, indeed. Now, I wanted to ask you also, Dr. Lowe, about your practice here, Awesome Smiles Dental Center, as far as the various services you offer, some of the treatment plans as well for the folks and how it can benefit them.
Oh, absolutely. We offer all treatment modalities in general dentistry. We offer general dentistry in terms of having simple fillings completed. We talk about gum treatment. If anyone wants to improve their smile, we have lots of different options for that as well. Some people are more familiar with tooth movement, such as Invisalign or Clear Correct, 6-month smiles. All of those different things we offer here in our practice because we want patients, again, to be able to smile with confidence. There's something that really, really bothers me, and sometimes you'll notice it if you're not in the dental field. If you see a person and they don't smile often, if they're hiding their smile behind their palms, they're not confident about their smile. That's one of the core reasons why we are here at Awesome Smiles, to ensure that everyone is able to smile with confidence for a lifetime. Because guess what? Your teeth should last a lifetime.
Absolutely, Dr. Lowe. So in addition to general dentistry, you also obviously offer cosmetic dentistry, folks with crooked teeth, misaligned teeth, the invisible braces, the Invisalign you touched on a few minutes ago. You offer all that right here at your practice.
We absolutely do. And I also always like to tell patients, you are not the only one who may want to make some minor changes to your smile. I'm a general dentist, and guess what? I just completed orthodontic treatment myself, and I did it for me. I noticed something that I just didn't quite like about some of my teeth, and in as little as 3 months, I was done. I was done, and I have been so happy with the results, and so have all my patients. They've come in and they're like, Dr. Lowe, I think something's changed about you. And of course, the only thing that's changed is my smile. Yes. I just made it a little bit more awesome.
We're now going to hear from a patient of Dr. Lowe.
I love coming to Awesome Smiles, and I would definitely recommend Dr. Lowe to everybody. I was a patient of Dr. Lowe's at her previous practice before she opened this one, and I followed her. A lot of people are scared of the dentist. Nobody likes the dentist, but she kind of makes it so you have to like her because she's such a cool person, has a cool personality. She makes me feel really comfortable. When I was at her previous practice she was with, I had to get a crown and I was in the chair for 3 hours. So she made me feel really comfortable. She's really likable, really kind of approachable. Really, you can relate easily to her.
We're now back with Dr. Lowe.
We actually have a VIP program for anyone who likes to let others in their circle know about the fantastic things that we do here, because we have a couple of core tenets and our patients love it. Community service, dedication to those around us who may not be able to do all the things that they want to do with their smile, but we are here to help them to, again, have the smile of their dreams. And that's what we do. We help all people all the time, trying to make sure that everyone should smile with confidence.
Now, we're literally out of time, Dr. Lowe, but I just wanted to ask you before I let you go if there's some additional comments you'd like to share with all of us.
We treat all of our patients like VIPs. And one of the things that we have a core thought process behind is that family means a lot. And when patients can come in and they can feel like they're part of your family, they want to come in and they will do some things that will sometimes make their lives a little bit better, even though they don't recognize it. Like I said, some of those things dealing with gum disease, premature loss of teeth, all of those things can have an impact on your overall quality of life. Sometimes you need someone with a little bit more abilities than you have to try and help guide you where you need to be. And that's one of the reasons why I use a lot of analogies in my practice. Sometimes patients just don't quite understand the big terminology and the big words and all of those different things. But I try my best to make sure that they understand what is happening in their mouth and that they truly understand the benefits and the consequences of treatment and no treatment. That's what we do here at Awesome Smiles.
Well, on that note, we'd like to thank you, Dr. Lowe, for joining us, being a guest on our program. It's a pleasure having you on.